Hello and welcome to OnPrintShop. In this video, we will talk about shipping section enhancements. Let's see the key features and benefits. Product-specific shipping method. The admin will have the facility to assign shipping methods product-wise. While assigning, they can choose whether to include or exclude products from the shipping method. At the front store, a shipping method will be available/displayed only when the assigned products are added to the cart by the customers. Assign shipping method to private/public stores. The admin can now assign a shipping method separately to all private stores and all public stores. Assign shipping method based on the user group. The admin will have the facility to preciously assign shipping methods to specific user groups of the stores, selected in the Available to field. Shipment tracking enhancement. We have provided the facility to add the tracking URL for the flat shipping, as well as shipping cost by order subtotal shipping methods. Now, let's have a look in the admin panel. Let's navigate to the store configuration, and then the shipping methods section. Now, select any shipping method and click on the Edit. On the Edit screen, you will find the product-specific shipping field. Here, you can see we have provided three options for this field. All products, include specific products, and exclude specific products. The selection of the All Products option will work as previously. When you select Include specific products, then you will get the option to assign the products for which you want to offer this shipping method, whereas when you select Exclude specific products and assign the products, then this shipping method will not be available for the specified products. The next feature we have is the assignment of shipping method to private/public stores separately. Here, we have provided a new checkbox for all public store. The next on the list is the shipping method assignment based on user group. From here, you can select the store lookup and then select the user group to whom you want to assign the selected shipping method. The last one is in the flat shipping and shipping cost by order subtotal methods. We have provided the facility of adding the tracking URL. This was all about the new features and enhancements we have made in the shipping section. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any queries, please feel free to reach us at support@onprintshop.com.